This is a healthy and quick pasta recipe you can cook within 15 minutes. So these are Brussels sprouts. Wash it and cut these in halves. Now, this is red pepper. You may take green pepper or any other vegetable like carrot, onion. Here we are going to saute this Brussels sprout for around 2 minutes. When you are staying away from your home, cooking all by yourself and everything should be in budget. So here goes the formula for cooking the pasta for each person. So I have taken a handful of pasta for one person. So if you are 4 person sharing and sharing the kitchen also, 4 handful of pasta. Always try to eat healthy whenever possible if you are cooking pasta. In this recipe, I am not using any kind of store-bought pasta sauce, just the vegetables and the tomato ketchup, or if you like the chili sauce, you can add. Otherwise, you can totally omit that. Drain the pasta, wash it and add to the sauteed vegetables.